A famous saying goes, the eyes are the mirror of the soul. But did you know we can also learn a lot about your health just by looking at your eyes?
Hi, we're Leah,
And Dennis.
and we're researchers here at the Department of Computational Biology at the University of Lausanne.
And today we're going to show you how your eyes might be telling us more than what you think.
In our lab, we use cutting-edge technology to help us understand if we can use the retina, or the back of your eye, to study your health and potentially predict future diseases. It might sound a bit sci-fi, but it's all based on real science.
How, you might ask? Well, we use so-called fundus images and artificial intelligence to study the tiny vasculature at the back of your eye. What we get out at the end are what we call retinal traits. Something like how many arteries and veins there are, their shape, their size, how they branch out.
These retinal traits are different across people of different ages, between sexes, and can reflect your lifestyle. Smoking, alcohol, no exercise, and not enough sleep. One too many burgers, they can all affect these tiny vessels.
Which can tell us a lot about your health. We are talking about your eye health, but also, and maybe more surprisingly, risk for future diseases such as high blood pressure, diabetes, or even heart attacks.
We also try to understand the genetics of those retinal traits to see how much they're influenced by your DNA rather than your lifestyle or your disease.
So summing up, with the help of AI, lots of data and genetics, we are looking for patterns that might change the way we approach your health.
Imagine no expensive blood tests, CT, MRI, or any of those other scans. Just a very simple, fast and harmless image of the back of your eye.
So, what's next?
Well, we're still diving into how all of this works, but we're hoping that in the future, doctors may be able to diagnose diseases faster.
And who knows, in a few years you might be able to go to your eye doctor and get your eyes checked not just for your vision, but also for your heart health and risk for future diseases.
But research in progress. Stay tuned.